but as music photojournalist Bill Tracy shows us, it wasn't exactly a winter wonderland.
We woke up probably around 9:30. Decided just to kind of open the blind just to kind of see how things were, and saw my truck had a couple inches of snow all over it. And I figured, well, hell, we might not be getting out of here. Muy bonita nevada. This is my first time that I see snow. It's beautiful. I wasn't prepared, but I'm here.
I was just a little cold to snow a little more, but kind of neat about the boys out. I think it's about time for them to get back in the truck and get warm.
Oh, it's freezing, but it's a lot of fun. Even when I was on my snowboard, I got a little bit back, like, boy.
Yeah, the dogs are having a good time, and our girl's having a good time, and I'm cold, but that's all right. This is nice. I like any time it's snowing in Southern California, I'm a happy camper.
Not quite enough snow to get sledding.
Hey, good, we can still, that's snowball.
They're not meant to be out here, are they?
My face is frozen. Don't bother coming up. Stay home and stay dry. Yeah, it's not always